Today is officially the day I'm moving to the city of Austin, Texas. Me and my friends just signed a lease on a house for the next year, and Austin's a city I've only been to one day in my entire life. This is definitely going to be an interesting adventure. To start things off with this move, I'm going to be taking this car right here on an over 1,000 mile drive to Texas. It should take me about 15 hours to complete this trip, and based on this car's previous history, I'm not that confident. Fingers crossed we don't have any issues on our journey, but I guess that's why I'm filming just in case. As you guys can see, the Turo car is officially packed. I've got a bunch of stuff back here, and then I have some stuff in the trunk. That's literally all of the belongings I have here in Arizona, and the last thing we need to do before we officially move out of Arizona is to say goodbye to one of my roommates. Noah.
Yeah.
I'm leaving, bro.
Alright.
It's been real. Sleep good, bro. As some of you guys may know, I spent about a month and a half staying in Arizona with some friends from high school, and it was honestly a lot of fun, but we're now officially all moving out of the house. It's kind of sad, but I'm super excited for this new chapter of my life, because not only am I going to be moving in with friends in Austin, but these people are also business owners / YouTubers. I think this is going to be a huge motivating environment, because so far in my business journey, I haven't really had too many friends around in my day-to-day life that are into the same stuff as me, and now to have that when I move to Austin is going to be huge. On that note, we are now ready to start this multiple day-long adventure, and this is a cold startup on a 2013 Ford Fiesta. So right now, guys, I'm driving through the literal desert, and coming from the Midwest, this is really crazy for me because I'm used to seeing a bunch of trees, but the desert is literally nothing but sand and a bunch of shrubs. And I can't believe I'm doing this trip. I'm going through Arizona, New Mexico, and then to Texas. This is gonna be an interesting couple of days. Right now, I'm following a van. This person's probably living van life, traveling the country. I assume we're gonna be with each other for a while since we're both the only cars going like 65 on the interstate. I don't wanna test this car. I'm just gonna cruise at 65 the whole way to Texas. I'm in no rush. I continued following the van for several hours until it was time to get gas. And boom, just like that, guys, I got gas for the first time on this trip, and we spent $35.82. I'm honestly interested to see how much money we're gonna spend on gas throughout this entire trip. We're not even out of Arizona yet, and we've already spent 35 bucks. With the increase in gas prices, this trip's gonna be pretty expensive. Luckily, I didn't need to get gas another time on the first day of this drive, and as I kept driving, I figured out where I was going to stop for the night. All right, guys, so I think I have my goal on where I wanna make it by the end of today. I want to make it to Las Cruces, New Mexico, which is 124 miles from where I am right now. It's currently 4:06 p.m., so that means I'll get there around 6 p.m., which isn't too bad whatsoever. And I don't really know what to expect. I've heard Santa Cruz is a pretty good city. Hopefully it's not dangerous or anything, because I'm probably going to end up sleeping in my car. Right as it's about to get dark outside, I made it to Las Cruces, New Mexico, and I pulled over to some scenic rest stop. Just to give you guys an idea of how this rest stop looks, sorry it is super windy outside, but let me give you guys a view over here. I've never been to New Mexico before, but this place definitely looks pretty cool. Since it's super windy outside, we're gonna head right back inside my car, but anyways, guys, I'm gonna be spending the night at this rest stop in my car. If you ask me, it's a lot better than getting a hotel room since, number one, it's free, and it also seems pretty safe since a bunch of other people are going to be sleeping here. If you guys look around, there's this guy probably sleeping in the RV. There's a car right there. This guy's pulled over. There's a bunch of people back there. This definitely seems like a good spot to spend the night, so I'm for sure going to be sleeping here until I wake up tomorrow, and then we hit the road once again. I got myself some McDonald's for dinner before I came here. Not the healthiest option, but I'm really feeling some chicken nuggets. I spent the next 2 hours scrolling through Instagram, brushing my teeth, and watching TikToks. Late nights in the middle of June. Then I went to sleep. As you guys can see, it is currently 6:30 a.m. in the morning. I just woke up after sleeping in my car the entire night, and let me tell you guys, it might have been worth it to get a hotel for 100 bucks since I didn't sleep the best, but luckily I got myself some more fuel, aka a Red Bull. This Red Bull was the only thing I consumed all day. And as I made the 11-hour straight drive, the Turo car held up good while other cars broke down. Oh, This car just blew a tire right in front of me and I ran over it. So, oh man, dude, that does not look good. I also got gas 2 times on this day, bringing our total gas spend for this drive to $109.23. It is officially the next day and I'm now in Austin, Texas. I arrived here pretty late last night, so I'm sorry for not filming anything, but I ended up getting this pretty sick hotel room. It's definitely not anything fancy. I think it's called like the Comfort Inn and Suites, but the best part about this entire hotel room is this cool button thing. Look at that. It changes as you press it. Anyways, guys, today is a very exciting day because not only are you guys gonna see my new house in Texas, but you're also gonna get to know my roommates. Sadly though, you're only gonna see the outside of my future house since it's not gonna be ready until April 15th. And until then, our landlord put us in a free Airbnb since technically we're paying rent as of April 1st. Before we do any of that though, we've got to check out of the hotel. After checking out of the hotel room, hello, I wanted to check out. There you go. Have a good day. It was time to check out the new house. I think the house is a little more forward, so let's keep going. And I think I see the house I'm gonna be moving into. And boom, guys, that house right there is where I'm gonna be moving. If you ask me, I think the house is pretty nice and I'm pretty excited to be living there. It's definitely the nicest house that I've ever paid to live in, and I don't want to film it too much because currently other people are living in there, so now we're gonna pull up to the Airbnb. The Airbnb is only a couple minutes away from our future house, so we should be pulling up on it pretty soon. And yup, guys, this house right here is our Airbnb. I'm gonna go ahead and give the landlord a quick call because I have absolutely no idea how to get into this place. Our landlord didn't answer, so I spent some time experiencing Austin traffic. Dang, guys, this traffic is crazy. Reminds me of California. And some dude almost gave me a parking ticket. I'll take the ticket. Sorry about that.
I haven't written it yet.
Okay.
But if you pay, I don't give you the ticket.
I'm not sure how much you guys could see from that whole encounter, but basically I was too cheap to pay for parking and a guy was about to give me a ticket as I went to my car, but he was nice enough to say that if you pay for parking, I won't give you a ticket. So I paid the $2.35. I won't be doing that again. After that, I made it to the Airbnb. I've now made it to the Airbnb. We're gonna be staying here for the next 2 weeks or so, and to give you guys a tour, we've got the living room right here. We've got a kitchen, a dining area, and then back there is where Jake and Brittany live. My room is upstairs, so let me show you guys that right now. Right through this door is my temporary room, and boom, although it's kind of messy, I think it's pretty good. I'm honestly kind of excited though to move into our actual house because then I can set up another studio like I had in my old apartment, but better. Now, for those of you who want to see who I'm living with, you might recognize at least Jake from videos we've done previously on my channel, and he also has his own channel where he builds stuff. How are you doing, Jake?
You getting this shot of my butt right now? Nice.
Anyways though, Jake makes YouTube videos just like me, and I think it's gonna be cool to live together because we'll be able to help each other with videos. So you're gonna see him in my content a lot and I'll be in your videos, so it'll be a good vibe. I'm excited.
Good vibe.
Then over here we've got Jake's fiance Brittany. She's got a graphic design business, so hit her up if you need any thumbnails. She's been doing a couple of my thumbnails recently and they're pretty good, so I'll be sure to link her Instagram down below in the description. And on that note, guys, I'm excited to be living here in Texas. It's the start of a new era, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.